Good afternoon, brand new Ranger owners. My name's Dean. I have a 2019 XLT. I wanted to show you something today that's probably missing from your Ranger. If you have a Lariat with push button start, it's not an issue, but if you have a keyed ignition like the rest of us, this might be something you'd be interested in. This is the issue right here. As you can see, there's something missing. And this is what's missing right here. I don't know why Ford doesn't put something around this, but I've decided to print my own solution for it. There's three little notches you align with here, here, and here. Just snap it in, and there you go. The black trim ring matches well with the other interior features like this. I also have a glow-in-the-dark version like this if you want something different. If you need to remove the trim ring, you can use a small screwdriver. I don't recommend this, but just place a paper towel paper towel just below so you don't mar the surface. Yeah, I try to do this with one hand here. And just kind of pry it like that gently, and it comes right out. But you shouldn't have to remove it. Once it's in, you're good to go. And I suggest just leaving it that way. And there you have it. I'm a proud supporter of the Ranger5G.com website. I 3D print these and I hand finish them myself. See the links below to order or to find more discussion in the Ranger5G.com interior mod section. Be sure to check all the other great forums at Ranger5G.com. Thanks for your time, and I want to thank all my other existing customers who've helped make this possible. Take care. Bye.